हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ शालिनी अग्रवाल एंड वेलकम टू मार्केट डेस्क वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे वीकली मार्केट राउंडअप्स और कुछ ऐसे इवेंट्स जो आने वाली वीक में मार्केट में मोमेंटम दिखाते। तो आइए सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इंडियाज ब्लू चिप लॉक थर्ड वीक ऑफ गेन्स ऑन आईटी बूस्ट। India's Nifty 50 and Sensex stock index logged their third consecutive weekly gains, boosted by information technology stocks on easing global interest rate outlooks. The NSE Nifty 50 index gained 1.58% this week, its best in 2 months, while the Sensex rose 1.37%. Stocks of IT companies, which earn a significant share of their revenue from the US, climbed 5.07%, their best week in 16 months. India's new personal loan rules seen curbing bank growth, share sleeps. Tighter rules for personal loans and credit card in India are expected to raise cost for consumer and curtail the growth and profit of banks, which have ridden rising demand among small borrowers, bankers, and analysts said on Friday. The Reserve Bank of India on Thursday instructed the country's bank to set aside more capital after repeated warnings about rapid growth in some personal loans, triggering sharp share price fall among Indian lenders. SBI sees minimal hit from tighter rules for personal loans. State Bank of India, the country's top lender, expects minimal impact on its capital ratios from the central bank's tighter rules for personal loans, its chairman told Reuters in a phone interview. The impact of the increased risk weight on personal loans, including credit cards, will be 55 to 60 basis points, Dinesh Kumar Khara said on Friday. SBI's capital adequacy ratio stood at 14.28% as of September end. RBI bulletin says India not out of woods yet on inflation. India is not home free with regards to the pressure of high prices, but the moderation in retail inflation over the last 2 months is a relief, the Reserve Bank of India said in its November bulletin published on Thursday. We are not out of woods yet and have miles to go, but readings of around 5% and 4.9% in September and October respectively are a welcome relief from the average of 6.7% in 2022 to 23 and 7.1% in July-August 23. The Reserve Bank of India said in its State of the Economy article in the bulletin. Now let's move towards some international news. US equity funds draw heavy inflows on expectation for Fed pause. US investors were big buyers of equity funds in the 7 days through November 15, spurred by expectation that the Federal Reserve may pause its interest rate hikes in light of recent subdued US inflation data. LECG data shows that US equity funds attracted about $9.33 billion in net inflows during the week, marking the largest weekly net purchase since September 30. आज के लिए बस इतना ही। ऐसे ही स्टॉक से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ एंड अपडेट्स के लिए कीप फॉलोइंग मार्केट डेस्क। और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड हमें अपना फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में देना ना भूलें।